Professional liability, student coverage through HPSO. Protects your academic career and your future. With today's high costs and consequences of a malpractice lawsuit, professional liability insurance is a must for all healthcare providers, even students. As a student, you perform professional services to patients or clients. Anything can go wrong, and the next thing you know, you are being named in a malpractice lawsuit. Coverage through HPSO offers professional liability insurance to students for covered professions at affordable rates * to help you protect your career. Through HPSO, you're covered with more than professional liability protection. You get up to $1 million each claim, up to $3 million aggregate professional liability coverage plus many value-added coverage features included in the policy, among them legal defense and investigative costs, if you are named in a lawsuit charging you with professional liability. An attorney will be provided to represent you personally when we find it necessary. Legal fees will be paid for covered claims, in addition to your limit of liability. Win or lose, defendant expense benefit reimburses you up to the applicable limits of liability for lost wages and covered expenses incurred when you attend a required trial, hearing, or proceeding as a defendant in a covered claim, subject to a $1,000 daily limit. Deposition representation pays up to $10,000 aggregate for attorney fees as a result of your required appearance at a deposition that arises out of professional services. Assault coverage, violence in the workplace is a sad reality. Should you be the victim of a violent action at work or on your way to or from work, this coverage will pay up to $25,000 per incident, with a $25,000 aggregate for medical expenses you incur or for damage to your personal belongings. Persona/injury coverage protects you up to the applicable limits of liability against covered claims arising from charges of privacy violation, slander, libel, assault, and battery, and other alleged personal injuries committed while carrying out your professional services. Damage to property of others while you are providing care at a patient's or client's home. What if you accidentally break something? No worries.